Welcome back to your kitchen. Today I'm sharing a special and delicious experience with you. Homemade Turkish doner kebab. This kebab is a famous and delicious dish made from meat or chicken combined with various spices. It's easy to make and really delicious. Smash that like, hit subscribe and let's cook. I hope you make it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned until the next video. Have fun!